Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept. It is knocking on the door of every corporate function, and human resources is at the forefront of this transformation. Leaders are understandably excited about its potential to revolutionize how we hire, develop, support our people. The promise is immense. AI can sift through thousands of resumes in seconds, predict which employees are at risk of leaving, and personalize learning paths for every individual. This excitement, however, often creates a powerful current of hype that can sweep organizations into action without a clear destination, leading to significant investment with little to show for it. The data reveals a stark and growing chasm between ambition and actual achievement. A significant majority of companies are still in the nascent stages of their AI journey, many within their first year of exploration. This early-stage adoption means a profound gap between sophisticated AI strategies and tangible business results. To make intelligent decisions about artificial intelligence, we must first demystify it. At its core, AI for HR isn't a single, monolithic entity. It is a collection of capabilities that can be categorized into three distinct types: automation, augmentation, and agentic. The first and most common type is automation AI. This form of AI is a workhorse, designed to handle high-volume, repetitive, rule-based tasks that consume valuable human time. Think of it as a digital assistant that never tires. Managing leave requests, answering frequently asked payroll questions, screening initial applications against basic qualifications. The second category is augmentation AI. It acts as an intelligent partner to enhance human judgment and decision-making. Google has used narrative-driven analytics to help managers understand the story behind team performance. The third and most advanced type is agentic AI, managing multi-step processes and making independent decisions within predefined boundaries. Despite the best intentions, a surprising number of AI initiatives in HR fail to deliver on their promise. One of the most common reasons is a tool-first mindset. Teams buy platforms without mapping existing processes. At Cisco, leaders meticulously charted the workflow to identify friction points before considering technology. Without this step, expensive tools sit unused or add friction instead of reducing it. Another pitfall is the absence of a clear focus on value. What decision will this technology improve? And how will we measure that improvement? If managers can't interpret or act on a score, the technology produces noise, not value. The initiative becomes a science project, interesting but irrelevant to strategic goals. It's abandoned when budgets tighten. Implementing AI is not just a technical challenge, it is a human one. Employees may fear obsolescence or surveillance. Leaders must explain the why and how AI will empower, not replace. Design systems where people can review, override, and correct AI outputs. That builds trust and learning loops that make both people and technology smarter over time. To move from hype to tangible value, HR teams need a practical and repeatable framework. This blueprint begins not with technology, but with a deep understanding of the work itself. Adopt a workflow-first orientation. Map a critical process from beginning to end. Onboarding or performance reviews identify every step, every decision point, every stakeholder involved, reveal true sources of inefficiency and frustration, pinpoint where AI can provide leverage through automation, augmentation, or a future agentic system. Treat every AI initiative with a product orientation, not a time-boxed project. Assemble a small cross-functional team, HR process owners, IT partners, data analysts, and end users. Build a minimum viable product that solves a meaningful slice. Prove value before scaling. Design for partnership, avoid black boxes, make the AI an advisor while humans make the final call. Build feedback and correction mechanisms so users can teach the system. Support with governance, review for fairness, transparency, and potential bias. Set clear privacy rules and explain decisions to employees. Invest in HR skills, data literacy, and AI concepts to sustain the transformation. The journey from AI hype to real HR value does not require a massive, multi-year strategic plan. It begins with a series of small, deliberate, immediate actions. The most crucial takeaway is to start now, but start small, with a focus on learning and delivering measurable results. Resist the urge to boil the ocean. Choose one well-understood challenge where a modest win builds momentum. Show the art of the possible. First, map one critical HR workflow from start to finish. Internal mobility or new manager onboarding. Make the work visible to uncover immediate improvements, with or without AI. Next, pick one small use case with clear value. For example, automating offer letters or AI-powered buddy matching. Define success. Save X hours, improve retention by Y%, reduce time to productivity by Z days. Form a small product team, build a simple version, test with real users, gather feedback, iterate. In parallel, set initial governance rules and human checkpoints to ensure fairness and transparency from day one. By following these focused steps, map, pick, build, govern, you will close the gap between hype and value, transforming AI into a powerful engine for making work more human.